day in the life of a plumber, presented by Badger. A long day of work goes by.
Finally, I get to go home. Such a great...
Ring, 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 ring.
No.
Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Ring.
Hello?
Hey, buddy, I'm gonna need you at this job.
No, I'm not going.
I need you here.
Okay, I'll be there.
Thank you.
Another job to go to.
After a few more hours. Finally home. Thanks for watching. Yay!